In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use the Sweep tool in Inventor Fusion. Let's begin by creating a profile. I'll create my new sketch on the XZ plane. Take a front view and use the circle tool. Let's snap it here, and stop the sketch. Now let's activate the Sweep tool. First thing to do is select a profile. So click on Profile, and then we'll make our selection in the graphic area. Next, click the path icon, and let's select the Sweep path. We can grab and drag these two handles in the graphic area to adjust the path. Now watch what happens when I change orientation. I've just switched to parallel and I try to drag. I get an error message when I try to drag it a little more. The sweep path is tangent to the profile. Now, if the fillet radius is too small, you might get another error message like profile self-intersecting or something like that. In the ribbon, we have another option for the sweep, full path. Let's select it. Here we get another error message. Let's try a perpendicular orientation instead. The Boolean options for the Sweep tool are join, cut, intersect, and create new component. Let's cancel out of this sweep, and let's create another sketch. Let's right-click on our top face and select New Sketch. Let's use a spline. Double-click to finish the spline and stop sketch. Now activate the Sweep tool. Click Profile and select the profile. Now Path and select our spline. And let's drag the handles to adjust the sweep. We see the preview in the graphic area in real time. Let's change our orientation to parallel. The shape updates accordingly. We can use a cut instead of a join. And let's cancel out of this sweep. We'll reactivate the tool and try it again. For the profile, this time I'm going to use this face. For the path, I'll select my spline. And here's our preview. For a better view, let's select Cut as our Boolean option. So here's the perpendicular orientation. Let's try parallel and see what happens. I'm going to click OK to accept this sweep. This concludes our tutorial about using the Sweep tool in Inventor Fusion.